our exhaust fan curve. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 24.5 inches, a depth, also 24.5 inches, and a height standing at 20 inches tall. Coming to the top, we have an opening of 22.5 inches in length, and a depth also 22.5 inches. Between the left and right flashing, we have a length of 30.5 inches. Front to back, we also have a depth of 30.5 inches. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.